Hey man, this is another video with Tyrone with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing, and today, man, he got some exciting news for you. We have a co-host, man. So, go ahead and introduce yourself, man.
How you doing? My name is Joseph Thomas. I'm definitely here and excited to be out here for Smartwatch Mobile Detailing. Something that I've always been curious about, and of course, why not go to the baton to get more info and learn.
Oh yeah, man. So he has a few questions for me about the business. I just wanted to bring him on so that he can help you guys get some insight on the business from a different perspective. So he's going to ask some questions that we may not think about right away, but as a detailer doing the business back and forth, but he's going to give us the outside macro perspective of the business with his questions, man. So let's get to it.
All right. Well, the biggest thing that I definitely want to learn for the most part is like, okay, what is the value that mobile detailing can bring to someone? And so how can really essential, what is the why? Why would somebody say get rid of a car detailed essentially?
Yeah, so I mean, for you guys just getting started in your detailing business, he's asking like the value that we bring to your customers. So having that knowledge to be able to let your customers know that you're bringing the service to them, that's a great value that a lot of people don't have. So when you coming out to their houses, it's a convenience. So that's the big thing when you're looking to bring services to your customers. The next thing will be just giving that exceptional customer service. That's a key value that a lot of people don't get from their auto detailing businesses when they're looking for their services. That's just two other things. So I mean, that's my mindset on it.
Okay. I would say, because it's one thing I think about is like, all right, well, like, you have a mobile detailing business, you always want to go out there, as you're saying, get great customer service. And then at the end of the day, one thing that goes to my mind, I know when I got my car detailed and washed in the past, so you feel different.
Oh yeah,
it's like it's even on an emotional level. It's like you get in a car, you might be going out on a date, you might be sitting here, doing something on tour that you're renting your car out, or it's like, well, it's like, wow, it's like just stepping inside that car, it just makes you feel different. And that's one thing I think about as a value purpose. It's like even the feeling thing, it's health.
Oh yeah. I think I made a video on that. So make sure y'all check out the next video. I think the one that we made was the psychology of auto detailing. So not just from the customer perspective, but just also from the detailer perspective, because like detailing, cleaning every day, it creates some mindset of keeping cleanliness with you, with yourself, with your mindset, with your how you move. Cleaning vehicles is like, you detail them, so you gotta finish the thing to the end. You have to make sure you're not skipping steps, so it helps you complete tasks in the real world as well. So that's a big one. Yeah, man. So you have any other questions for me?
What would you say somebody who's actually they just getting started mobile detailing? What should they start off with a certain niche, like maybe cars, small cars, trucks, like fleets? What should somebody start off at?
Yeah, man. For me, you never know. So like, it's all in your marketing. So I personally put my brand out there, and ideally I had a trailer to start off with. I can actually drop that clip in the video of my trailer that I started off with 2 years ago. And with that trailer, I had a mindset I was going to only do dealerships. So that quickly changed when I put my marketing out there and I got a call to do a van. So you kind of just gotta move with the flow. You want to go out and get started, so you don't want to turn down business because you have a mindset in place, that because you learn in business that every day is a new day. So you want to learn something new and do something differently every day. So yeah, just be ready to adjust and adapt to every situation.
All right, now what's that one thing I thought about? One thing as you go, like you were saying, you're just going to a dealership or something like that.
Yeah.
What do you say? Hey, can I, how do you, I guess essentially, just like we're saying, your value, what do you say to somebody like, hey, this is the value that I'm going to give you?
Yeah. So with dealerships, I personally don't handle dealerships by myself on my own. I can't manage that on my own. In order for me personally in my business to expand to a dealership perspective, I would need more help on my team, because In order to maintain the dealership, you have to have manpower, and you have to have be able to negotiate the price down. I personally don't like negotiating my price because then it's like you have to continue to do the same amount of service and then for a low amount of dollars. So that's why I personally don't do the dealerships right at this moment. But when you go into a dealership, make sure you have your something to show them, like a price list or some type of marketing material. I have done it in the past, and I actually have gotten multiple jobs from dealerships when I do that. So always make sure you have your marketing material. Second, I would say come presentable, and also make sure you speak professionally when you're speaking to your the dealerships. Make sure you have knowledge, because they're going to come to you like, oh, what can you do for me? So we're a full service detailing company. We do wash, wax, shampoo, and vacuum. We can help your company out by doing cars at 10% of our normal price. So you coming out off top explaining to them that you bring value, you can get them a discount, and you can also get the job done. You have a team on standby if you have a lot of vehicles for us. So stuff like that is what's going to get you those jobs.
You know what? You're the expert.
Oh yeah,
and
man.
Essentially, like how in the world can if you're gonna go to somebody or they come to you, and essentially they're coming to you because they feel that you are the expert. So with that being said, hey, as you said a second ago, I need this service right now, but it's probably not in your price range. When it comes to negotiation, now is there a set limit that you try to work with somebody, or as you're saying, you're trying to build a business? If somebody's trying to build a business, especially if they're just starting off, now do they really have some room to negotiate, or you really want to bring value to people, but at the end of the day, it's a business. Where in the world do you draw the line with negotiations and like, hey, I'm sorry, but this is the value that I bring, so this is the price that I have?
So there is a learning curve. There is a one of those moments where you kind of got to put your boots on, scrap them up, and kind of just do it. And that's at the beginning stages. So when you're in your beginning stages of your auto detailing business, you may have to just take those jobs where you're making a little bit of money. I know that's discretionary, what's a little bit, but you're making the minimum. It's way below your prices. You're doing a whole lot of more work, but it's good to do those jobs at the beginning because you're getting your content. Make sure you take pictures before and afters. You don't have any customers, so you need money every day to survive. So getting those jobs done will also help you expand your business, get you out there, and you may also run into other customers that see you at the dealership and want to have you do side jobs as well. So just kind of do it if you're just starting at the beginning stages. But if you're well into your business, you should know by now that a lot of times all jobs aren't the best jobs. Every money is not good money, and you have to realize that what's best for your business and come up with a strategy to make sure your business is different from the other businesses as well.
I like the sound of that, my man.
Oh yeah, man.
Hey, I'm looking forward to learning more and more. Looking forward to it.
Oh yeah, man. This is it, man. This is Smart Watch Mobile Detailing. Make sure y'all check this video out, and we have all other videos posted as well. So we have the knowledge. We're going to continue to drop the content. We're going to continue to grow together, and make sure you check us out next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.